In this video, I will show you how to change the audio or sound output of your Samsung Smart TV. Now this can be very useful if you do not want the sound or audio from your Samsung Smart TV to come out from the speakers of the TV, but maybe an optical cable device or a soundbar that is being connected through HDMI or even a Bluetooth device. And to do this from the home of your Samsung Smart TV, you want to use the navigation buttons on your remote control to just navigate to the left hand side. So just navigate like so until you get to the settings icon, which is basically this gear icon over here. Go ahead and select it just like so, and then you want to come over to sound, select sound, and then sound output over here, you want to go ahead and select it. And from here, you can now choose the audio or sound output you want for your Samsung Smart TV. So if there is actually a speaker that is being connected to your Samsung Smart TV using an optical cable, you can just scroll down and select optical, and your audio will start coming out from the speaker that is being connected through an optical cable. If there is also a soundbar or a speaker that is being connected using a HDMI cable, once the HDMI cable is being connected to the HDMI port on your Samsung Smart TV, you're also going to see the HDMI option as one of the options over here. So you can just go ahead and select the HDMI. Now once you select it, you can just come over to close over here and click on OK. And automatically that particular sound output will be selected for you on your Samsung Smart TV. So basically that is how to change the sound or audio output of your Samsung Smart TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.